designing this room to look like kind of like this. First, we gotta start with the obvious. Hi, I'm always style. Girl, you know this is not my bed. My brothers and my sister. My sister went to school, so it's just me and my brother. My mom and my other mom went to work, not to school. Okay, I'm gonna put this down here. Ish. Sorry with the blanket. Okay. Okay. After I'm gonna do the shapes. Yeah. It might never take long like this. Let me fix that. But there's always part. Well, I'm gonna tell you which part after this video. Hey guys, I'm keep on forgetting parts. Okay, I'm just gonna move a little bit of this bit. This bit. Right. Just done. It's just gonna be